Whenever you see a pie chart question, you always need to write down 360 divided by question mark. To work out what question mark is, you need to add up the frequencies. These frequencies here in my table add up to 36. I'm going to replace the question mark with the 36. So 360 divided by 36. Now I need to work this out. 360 divided by 36 gives me 10. The 10 I'm now going to multiply by each frequency, and this will give me the angle for my pie chart. So 12 times 10 is 120 degrees. 5 times 10 is 50 degrees. 4 times 10 gives me 40 degrees. And 15 times 10 gives me 150 degrees. These are the angles for my pie chart. To check that they're correct, add them up. They should add up to 360 degrees. When you need to draw your pie chart, on the exam you will be given the circle and the centre will be marked. You then need to use a protractor to measure and draw each of the angles. If you would like to review drawing angles, please watch clip number 37. Now, at the moment, my pie chart has been drawn, but I wouldn't get any marks for it because it's meaningless until it's labelled. So you mustn't forget to label it. Walk, cycle, bus, and car. My pie chart is now completely finished. Here's a question for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready to see the answers, press play. We write down 360 divided by question mark. The frequency column adds up to 90, so the question mark is 90. 360 divided by 90 gives me 4. If I multiply each frequency by 4, I will get the angles. So 25 times 4 is 100, 15 times 4 60, 26 times 4 104, and 24 times 4 96. Don't forget to check that your angles add up to 360. Then draw your pie chart really carefully and don't forget to label it as you go.